tech seminar video. So today I'm going to talk about the most interesting technology which is used by the modern companies and softwares heavily, which is Docker. So Docker, what is Docker? Docker is a containerization software uh, which helps us to bundle our software into a container and run our software with ease. So before saying about Docker, let's talk about what is containerization, okay, or what is container. So container is a lightweight package of your application which includes everything that needed to run your website, every dependencies and every uh, things that needed to run your application. So that is container, and Docker is this technology that helps us to containerize our software. So that is what is Docker. Now I'm going to talk about why to use Docker. So suppose we are developing our website our application, and we need to share our application, and we need to run that application in another computer also. So in for application there might be dependencies, many of dependencies that we install along the way, and in normal case if we want to give that to make this possible to run in another computer, we need to reinstall all of these packages or dependencies and change our configuration according to our local computer. So in our local computer the things will be different, and for example the other developer or the other tester who has our who in our team will be using another laptop with another operating system. So run different application runs different in various operating systems. So it is really very difficult to make work that application in every systems uniformly. So here is the advantage of Docker comes in. When we Dockerize our application and install every kind of things into that one container, and we share that container, then anybody can run our application anywhere, be in the Windows or Linux or Mac OS or in a server, which we usually do in production cases. We deploy our application to a server. So these all processes are made simple using Docker. So this is what the advantage of Docker is. So when we talking about what exactly is Docker, actually Docker contains a lot of objects, which includes Docker images and Docker lot of things. So what is exactly an image? So image is a kind of a thing that we build based on another package, and we add our own stuff into that. That is an image. For example, there will be an image, Ubuntu image. For example, Ubuntu is a popular web server operating system. Many of the servers uses Ubuntu as their operating system. So let's take an example of Ubuntu. Okay, so Ubuntu, we need to deploy our app, and we need to install a lot of things on Ubuntu, and we install those things and we create our own image, which means we create our own image of our application. We see when we share to other people, they can install this image and they can run the application quickly using that image. So that is what the software developers, system administrators, everybody uses Docker for its because of its ease of use. So there are the major key concepts are images. Images are lightweight standalone executable packages that includes every thing needed to run a piece of software. Containers are isolated from the host machine, so whether we run it on any other platform, it will run perfectly fine in every work. So we have talked about how to what is the use of Docker means. Docker ensures that application runs same way across different platforms from development to production, and it supports scalability, which means we can deploy our application in different cloud and scale our application across the cloud, so that our application performs very better when high load is uh, hit on that application. And that's all about Docker helps us to containerize our application, which helps in running the application as same in every platforms. And Docker also helps us to uh, scale our application really fast and deploy our application into the web server very fast. And if there is any kind of modification that we change in our code, it is helps to build that image and easy to ship to the user, because we just need to update our image in the Docker and redeploy that Docker container, and everything is good to go. So that's all about Docker, and I hope you understood some gained some knowledge from my Docker tech seminar. And see you with another tech seminar. Thank you. Bye. Peace.